So another operator you will see is in Python especially. I will not go in detail. When we learn about data structure and list, you will see it, but it's also called in. Python has this special operator called in. So suppose you're creating a list and I want to say if the person is in the list. So I can check name, in, and a list. List is, remember, list is always square bracket, and say Yash, Anish, and Mihika, right? Suppose this is a list. And I'm checking if the student is in this list or not. The answer would be true or false, right? Suppose I say Krish. Is Krish in the classroom? The classroom has Jay, Mika, Pranav, Rahim, and other Dev, right? Akarsh. Of course, Krish is not there. But if I say, is Jay in this class? Answer would be yes. So this is my class. This is my list of students, each by single quote and then separated by comma. This is my list of students. It's a list. And I'm checking if I say, is Krish, single quote, in, and then a list, answer will be either true or false. Right now it is false because there is no student called Krish in the class right now. So name in is also a valid Boolean expression. This will return true or false, and we'll learn more about it. Similarly, we'll say name not in, which is exactly opposite of what we just did. If name is not in, it may be written true or false. So in and not in are two valid operators in Python. We usually not find in other programming language that checks against a value in a list. We'll learn more about it when we go in the data structure, but for now we'll keep as it is.